I'm Graham Law. I'm a principal engineer and solution architect at BAE Systems.
Hello, I'm Craig Parkinson. I'm the head of technical delivery and support for ERP and maintenance and support systems at BAE Systems. We put a new ERP solution in. We kept a COTS ERP solution that had a bespoke set of process requirements. So we used Bizagi to implement those custom processes in tight integration with our ERP. And the breadth of that, I think, spans across procurement processes, finance processes, and manufacturing processes predominantly.
Yeah, the only other two I've got on there on my list are project management, and I've called it infrastructure/support, which is processes that we've written to help maintain the system rather than anything else.
So from my perspective, we've given the business, the customer for us, what they wanted. So they weren't shoehorned into a set of processes that they felt they couldn't work to, couldn't transform to, because Bizagi gave us the opportunity to be able to build those processes as they wanted them. I think it has also introduced a level of automation in some areas that we simply didn't have in the old world. So lots of invoice payments, matching, procurement orders, electronically being sent out. There's a level of automation delivered that just could not exist in the old world.
When I first joined the project, I saw the database and I thought, I am going to become completely proficient in this database. I'm going to make myself completely indispensable to my boss, and I succeeded very well at that. It's done wonders for my career.